Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and I would like to welcome you to this exciting video series where we will be building small EMS employee management system using ASP.NET Core, MVC, and ChatGPT. So we will use ChatGPT extensively to get the code, not just the CSAP code, also Bootstrap UI as well, right? So let me demonstrate the application that we will be building. So this will be our home page. What we see, home and login. Let me log in. Right. So let me log in using an admin first. So this will be a we will also implement role based login. Let me log in first as an admin. So based on the user role, only fewer menus will be available to them, right? So let's get this loaded. Okay, so currently I am logged in as a admin person. Sachin Tendulkar is admin, and these are the module an admin can access. My detail will have employee details, logged in employee detail, time sheet will have time sheet, punch in punch out time details, and whether a present or absent details of the particular user. Then a person can apply leave, check at the leave status whether they are approved or not, and if the user is admin or manager, then they will have the leave, team leave module also, where they can approve and reject applied leaves by their subordinate employees, right? Then we will have salary history. See, salary history will be calculated based on the timesheet module, right? Number of day present, number of day working, number of day absent, what was the salary, what was the day to day daily wage rate. Based on that, we will be calculating salary. And if a user is an admin user, then that user will have another menu called master data to manage roles and employees. So this is a roles screen, and this is an employee screen. Here you can create new employee, and then you can edit and delete new employee as well. So let me log out from as an admin user, and let me log in as a normal employee quickly. Right, so let me take one employee who is just an employee. Okay, wrong password. Okay, so this guy Ajit Agarkar, he is just an employee, so he will not see leaves menu where we have two options. It is just my leaves for him, right? And also there is no menu for master data. So an employee cannot manage employee and role data, right? That's quite understandable, right? So this is how a role based menu would be implemented, and menus or application will behave based on the logged in employees role, right? Let me quickly show you a managers also login. Uh, Okay, so this guy, Saurav Ganguly, is a manager. So he can see my leave and team leaves, but he still does not see the master data management, right? To manage roles and employees. That is available to only admin. So kind of role based module we have implemented. Right, so let me log out and be on log and log in and log out. Based on login and log out, there will be punch in and punch out time noted, and based on that, time sheet will be generated, right? So let me log in through a admin again, and I think we missed to have a salary. Okay, let me go to salary history. Okay, so salary history will be dependent on this timesheet. Who was present, how many days were present, right? How many days were absent employee. Based on that, we'll calculate the salary report, right? So this is what we will be building. I hope you will be excited to see what's ahead in this. And you know what we will be so this is all about the application we will be developing, right? And what we will be doing, actually we will be using chat gpt extensively, not to generate just the csap code. We will generate ui also. We will generate images also possibly required in the project, right? And at the end of this series, we will be developing a complete real world application employee management system that caters to small businesses, like small service industry, like they might have just 20 to 25 employees, or maybe small to medium size of shop. Again, they might have very small employee base, right? So we'll be complete developing that application. And we will also and you will also have a strong grip on prompting chat gpt for .NET Core. So I will be sharing on each video and on in each module, I'll be sharing the prompt also, that how to write the prompt to get the best code out of ChatGPT, right, for ASP.NET Core MVC, right. And again, at the end of the video, you will be confident to build, full stack developer using AI, ChatGPT, right. So let's jump into the video number one, where we will be, creating the MVC project, and let's begin from there. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video.